All right, you guys, this is a hoarder house. I am prospecting for potential fix and flip. I mean, it's rough in here. I don't know how long I'm going to last in this one. Um, I see kitty litter, feces. Of course, there's personal property everywhere. I didn't make it that much or that far into the property, but here goes nothing. Okay, so I mean, we got a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 1,900 square feet property. This is a probate sale, so this is as is. I mean, this is about as bad as it gets as a hoarder house. I'm really hoping there's no cats that jump out at me. Yeah, there's that. Um, Appliances are not functional. Layout is pretty sectional. I mean, it reeks in here for obvious reasons. Um, it's really tough to see people actually living like this. I am gonna pass on going on the backyard. Maybe I could get a view. It's a decent sized lot. I believe it's 7,400 square feet. I mean, definitely a big enough size to insert a pool back there out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So, some pretty good value there. This is on the market for 340,000. Again, probate sale, so it's as is. Okay, yeah, this is really rough. I know it might be hard to see, but there really isn't much. Um, Jesus Christ. Okay, and we're just on the lower level here. I don't know if I even want to go upstairs. I mean, this is really, really bad. Uh, okay, here goes nothing. I really don't want to step. There's all the kitty litter. I really hope there isn't any cats in here. I mean, okay, we got wigs. Okay. So we got our okay. Oh shit. Thought that was something. Okay. Nice kind of loft area. Office setup. I'm not going all the way in. Maybe I am. Oh man. Okay. So the bathroom connects through either that side or through the bedroom access. Okay, I'm getting the heck out of here. All right, you guys. High ceilings. So this is definitely all for you guys. This was definitely a freaky one. Let's see here. I'm going to check the backyard, see if I could access through the side of the house. Okay, we got a lock. Let me see if Alright, you guys, let me know what you think about this one. I would say neighborhood is about a C minus. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 340,000 asking price. I would say the after repair value, I think it's about 400, so definitely not going for the asking price. What do you guys think of this one? Definitely needs full renovation. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.